Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a Star Wars quiz using the Quiz and Survey Master plugin. To create our Star Wars quiz, I have already created a dummy WordPress website using InstaWP. It's one of the finest platforms to create disposable WordPress websites to test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can build a quick disposable WordPress website. So let's dive into this. I have already installed the QSM plugin on my website. To see how to install the QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card in the top right corner of this video. Let's start by creating the quiz. Number 1 is to hover over QSM and then click on Quizzes or Surveys. And then, once you click on Add New, the first thing we see is to select a theme for the quiz. QSM has a collection of stunning themes, but for now, let's go with the default theme and click on Next. Lastly, on the quiz setting, we get an option for the initial setup for our quiz. Let's set a name for the quiz and select what kind of form we are using. Time limit. You can set a timer to your form. You could also select if you want only logged-in users to be able to fill the form. Let's not do that for a time being. Now comes the add-on section, where we get to see the most used or popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, and surveys. Currently, we don't need any add-ons, so let's just click on Create Quiz. Here comes the Questions tab, wherein we can enter our questions for the Star Wars quiz. Let's enter the questions for our quiz. Let's start with the first one to know whether the user knows about the Star Wars series. After entering the question, on the right-hand side, you can choose the type of question and answer from the drop-down. I am taking the multiple choice type question and writing answer choices. You can give points or correct or incorrect for the respective answers. I am giving the points to the answer to show you the results. And if you want, you can mark the question as required so this question can't be skipped. Then click on Save Question. Since our first question is saved, let's click on Create a New Page or a second page question at the bottom of the Questions tab. For this question also, we will be selecting the multiple choice type question here and image answer type, and writing answer choices with respective points. Now, I am creating the last third page question and repeating the process, and then click on Save Question. Now all the questions are saved. Let's set up a contact field to collect the name of the applicants. Click on Add New Field, and let's select the field type and label it as Name. Now, since our question for the quiz is set and the contact field is configured to collect the username, let's set our final result page for the quiz as per the score. So, go to the Result Pages tab. Here, you can set conditions as per you when this page should be shown. Now, after setting the conditions, we have to design the final result page that we have to show people. So, enter the message and take different variables from these templates. I am taking the name and total points variable to put in my message. To beautify your page, you can also upload the image in the description. For your reference, I am creating one more conditional result page so you can understand better. Let's preview our Star Wars quiz by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you can see, we have created the Star Wars quiz successfully with all the separate 3 pages, with one question on each page, and it's working just fine. Also, you can see the timer running on the rightmost bottom of the page. And finally, the result page. We have successfully added the score in the description here. And that's all for this tutorial. Stay tuned for new tutorials. Until next time, bye-bye, stay safe.